ultimately, we really care about accuracy. Accuracy is super duper important because I think that's a big thing with AI is you can build a product with AI, but if it doesn't produce good results a large percentage of the time, it's really bad. People get really frustrated. Like I bet a lot of you have talked to chatbots and been like, wow, this chatbot isn't that great. Some chatbots are really good. Like, Intercom's Fin is like really, really good. We use that and it's been working great for us. But some chatbots really, really bad. And so that's an example of like AI not working well. And so we're like, how do we not have it work really bad? And so we made a spreadsheet of like 1,000 intercom conversations, and we're like, okay, which of these have feedback? What is the feedback? So that we can run it through Autopilot. And this is our own data, by the way, not our customers' data or anything like that. And run it through Autopilot and just check, does this have feedback? What is the feedback? Is the feedback that it finds the right piece of feedback? And to evaluate our solution. And at first, I think, maybe we were getting, I don't know, 60 to 80% accuracy. And we said, okay, that's interesting, but that's not good enough. And we basically set the benchmark at 99%. Like, in order for this to be good enough for our customers, we need like 99% accuracy, because if the LLM reads a customer support conversation and either doesn't find feedback or finds feedback but doesn't quite describe it the right way, or just finds something that's completely irrelevant, that's really not helpful and it's disruptive to our customers. We're trying to help people. We're not trying to get in their way here and add extra work to like clean up what the AI is creating. And so we set the benchmark at 99 and just spent a lot of time iterating on our approach. It's not as simple as just like asking one question to GPT, be like, hey, here's this intercom conversation. Does it have feedback? What's the feedback, right? There's a lot more that goes into it. Multiple AI services and prompt engineering, multiple prompts, chaining, lots of stuff behind the scenes. And yeah, we ended up hitting that 99% internal benchmark where we're like, wow, this is working really, really well, which was a huge moment for us. And at that point, we opened a beta with our existing customers, and we said, okay, guys, we're going to let a couple of you try this out with Intercom and Zendesk, some of the integrations we already had built out. And obviously with real world data, you're not going to get the same accuracy as with an internal benchmark. Everything is optimized for the internal benchmark. And so, but it was a great point where we're like, okay, now we're starting to notice like new patterns and trends, new things to fix, and are able to iterate on that and get accuracy higher for real world data. And so we're getting something that works not only for like one data set, but for multiple data sets. Um, and as usage continues to grow, accuracy goes up.